Hello guys, today we're going to be playing the Kids Picture Show Dump Truck. Let's get started. What is that? Is that an articulated dump truck? Dump truck? What? The word is very funny. It's the old dump truck. Or you can call it standard dump truck. It is an old dump truck that I have seen earlier. So what's that? Is that a excavator dump truck?
Crawler dump truck.
It's a crawler dump truck. It's a crawler dump truck. Why is it on the track? No, what is it? Wow, it's so cute! It's the cutest dump truck I have ever seen. What? You have repeated it? It's mini dump truck. I like this dump truck because it is very cute. What is it? Is that? It's a flatbed dump truck. Why doesn't it go down? No, what is that? Is that a semi-truck?
Semi-trailer and dump truck.
Semi-trailer and dump truck. It's very big. India has one.
Semi-trailer side dump truck.
What the freak? What the freak is it doing? You cannot shoot real. What the freak is this dump truck done? Articulated dump truck. Oh my god, it's a mess. Very bad articulated dump truck. It's a very mess. It's a messy truck. What's that? Is that a dump truck with pop trailer? It's a dump truck with pop trailer. Is that a old dump truck?
Cab over dump truck.
It's just another old dump truck. Oh, you can call it cab over dump truck. India has one too. It's winter out here. You can call it winter service vehicle. Why does it have a super? And it's the ending. So we got two dump trucks. We got a one-track dump truck. We got semi-truck. That one is longer than this. So this is the cutest truck. And the pup trailer. And this truck won't do anything. Nice one. What the frick? Why did it the dump truck bonged itself? Now it's the ending.